everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, the ultimate cruise missile. 4 individual bucket seats, the BMW M5 CS. It's got some proper lungs now to fit with this incredible vehicle's persona. We've got the full titanium exhaust, 3 inches, forward X-pipe, got our quad chamber titanium muffler here in the center to lower those sound levels when you need it. This is just an absolutely ridiculous setup for what is, quite frankly, a very, very special vehicle. In the video, we're gonna show you guys the full sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, launch control, and we're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper to show you exactly what your M5 or M5 CS is gonna sound like with this exhaust setup. We've got the OEM downpipes installed. Part 2 of this video will be we put some free flow downpipes on the car, but stay tuned for that. For right now, let's see how good this thing sounds with just the titanium exhaust. Let's do it. M5 CS, guys, this is the ultimate F90 out there. But from factory, the exhaust setup is just so lackluster. This full titanium exhaust, we're really enhancing the sound characteristics. The car's not that much louder, but you get such a more exotic motorsport sound out of this car than compared to the factory exhaust. You lose the middle resonator, a free flow section out back. This thing is such an improvement over factory. Can't wait to show you guys what it's like outside. But from inside, much better in here. Got our valves open, and it's also not a ridiculous car. Absolutely egregiously fast, and it just helps so much having more drama and excitement inside the cabin. It's just way more fun now. This is factory too. There's no like tune or anything on this car.